Hello, within this video we'll be looking at the framing features such as connections that are common to all framing systems, whether this be walls, horizontal panels or trusses. Although they can be used in each, this video we will use wall panels only. Commands are mostly used from the ribbon, however some commands are available from the right-click contextual menu. It is possible to move the profile in the 2D layout view just by clicking the piece and moving it via the grip point as shown. This would then be reflected in a 3D model and vice versa. However, by clicking a panel label and then right-clicking and selecting Edit Parts, we can then open up an individual panel as an editable model within a new window. All changes made will be reflected in the 2D layout as well as the main 3D model. Again, we can amend the profile by clicking to select it and moving it via the grip points, enabling you to move and resize the profile. Notice the context-sensitive tab within the ribbon, which activates automatically. One very useful feature is the double joist function. Again, this has its own set of options where we can toggle if the double is mirrored, if both the center of the two joists is moved to the current center point of the single joist, and if there are any tolerance between them. Once defined, simply click on whichever side you wish to mirror to. Should you need to alter any connections within your panel, make sure you are in the Modeling tab. Click the Join menu and choose the Connection Details command. The location and available connections will be subject to your customization. There will be a few joint types available, however these all work in a similar way. For example, if I would like to add a T-connection joint, first double-click the T-connection joint thumbnail. Next, we select our piece to connect to, and then we select the piece ends to connect. Notice the marker. Once selected, confirm. As we already have a joint here, Vertex asks us if we would like to remove our previous joint, which we select OK to do, and then once this is completed, we have changed our joint to a T-connection as shown. Within the Joint tab, there are a wide variety of different joints and connections you can utilize for your wood framing projects within Vertex BD. Some of these will be dependent on the customization you choose for your software and also can be dependent on the machine types used. As you can see, you can select from beam joints where tenons, dovetails and dados can be found, floor joints, notches, log walls and connections, trusses, joints, rafters and more. Within here, there are also tools for creating service holes, which are extremely useful in enabling you to pre-punch and create service holes for electrical, ducting, and piping to be run throughout your projects. Thank you for watching this video guide. Join us for our next video on the wall framing accessories within Vertex BD.